Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video to do today. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. And you guys can check them out. My either Amazon affiliate link or their website link will be down below, which will be safe links to click and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Let's see what they sent us. Alright, guys. Oh, I got cut. A few more cuts. I can't believe it's already November. We got Turkey Day coming up. And then Santa Claus will be here shortly, guys. Oh, baby. Oh, boy. Look at this. And this is Amazon. This is coming from... I'm not sure who. Speed Athletic. Rolling stunt car. Kind of looks like a shark. WISAIRT. So that's the company. But you can check them out. Like I said, with my affiliate link will be down below. So, be all good. There we go. How do I open this one up? Oh, alright. Come on the side. There we go. And another one. So you get for transmitter, batteries, USB adapter, the vehicle, and the battery. Alright. Come on out. Yeah, like tape here too. Interesting box. Another one. What the heck? There we go. We got the manual right here. Go. That was interesting. Put that right there. Whoa. Take a look at this. This is pretty cool. We got, oh boy, here, we got snip. Here we go. Dang it. There we go. Here's the goodies. Battery pack and all that good stuff. There we go. That's in there. One more snip right there. Okay, we got them out. Make sure you have batteries ready. Amazon batteries are usually good and at a good price too, so if you need to stock up. There we go. Put this on the side. Don't need that anymore. Okay, we got the remote Stunt. And they didn't have stuff like this when I was a kid. We'll see how that works. Pretty cool. Here's a... we need an antenna. It's probably all in this box. Here. Yep. Screwdriver. USB to charge the batteries. Got two. I think there's an antenna. You see the antenna? Maybe it's built-in antenna. Okay, you don't need an antenna. Bottom. So, there's one right here. I just hope they're charged so we can do the video. Figure out a good way to do it. Here we go. So you're gonna need 2 double A's. Let me grab that. Okay, once you get the batteries, gonna put them in the slot. Like I said, the Amazon Basics are the good ones to get. Put the lid back on. Make sure you even it up with the screw. Here we go. Take the screwdriver. And then do some card tricks. And all these batteries are good, so there we go. Make sure that's in. Power right here. See the lights on. Now we're gonna have some fun. Where's the battery pack go? Okay, so the battery pack is here where the screw is. It's gonna be awkward reach. Hold on. Okay, it does extend, so that's good. And then you're just gonna have to unscrew the screw, and then pop the battery, connect them two together, and hit the switch, and start racing. So you might, if you have a couple kids, maybe get a couple of these. Good for a few hours in the indoors. And basement, outdoors too. Take one of these batteries. Hopefully they're charged. Let me pause you. And make sure you have it nice and tucked. Like so. We're going to put the lid back on. Whoa, look at those. Got some flames on them. On that side also. Got some shark blood on it. Triceptops dinosaur. Hey. Whoa. Holy smokes. Alright, I wasn't expecting that. Okay, we're going to do this on a carpet. on the ground. It'll be a lot easier. Be right back. Alright guys, here we go. Look at this thing go. Just gotta keep up with it. This thing is quick on carpets. Uh-oh. Hold on. Oh, no, see? Just when you thought it stuck, it gets itself out of a jam. And somewhere over there. So like I said, you can do a lot of cool stunts with this. Just gotta try to keep up with it. Oh, there we go. So definitely check them out. My links will be down below. Take it easy, be safe, have a good night.